Okay, right. So we'll move to the next topic called constructor. New concept, very important topic is it is a constructor. What is constructor? Let's see. It is a method that has the same name as its class. Okay, same name as its class. You should remember this sentence whenever you attend any interview. If they ask what is constructor, immediately you should say the method with the same name of class, same name of class. Okay, but it has no return data type. Generally we will write like void or integer like that, after that function name, but here no return data type. The constructor having no return data type, and it is automatically executed only at the time of declaration of an object. So generally we are calling with the object. For example, sample yes అని ఇస్తే, if we declare sample yes, s dot accept, s dot display, we used to call like this. But if we declare it as a constructor, while no need of calling, no need of calling, whenever we create an object, automatically this constructor will automatically execute. It is automatically executed only at the time of declaration of object. If we declare any object of the class, automatically this constructor will execute, no need of calling with the object. Okay, these are used to initialize the data members of its class. Why? What is the purpose of these constructors? Use it to initialize the data members. That means we are declaring variables inside the class, int n, for example int something x. So we are declaring these variables, these are called data members. So to give values to these data members, we are using this constructor. We generally use this constructor. Okay, so that is the purpose of constructor. uh, they have given one note. What is this note? Constructor is also method, but it has no return data type. I already told that they generally, for method we should declare data type, return type, but the constructor have no return type. Constructor have no return type. Let's see how the constructor will write and what are the different types of constructors we have. This is a constructor program. What is the class name? Test. The function name is also test. I already told you the class name and method name same, nothing but constructor, nothing but constructor. Okay, so whenever we create the object, automatically this constructor will execute, this constructor will execute, no need of calling. Okay, so this is a default constructor. We generally call it as a default constructor. There are different types of constructor. Let's see what are the other constructors. So types of constructors. CPP supports three types of constructors. What I explained is default constructor or non-parameterized. There is no parameter values here inside the program, inside the function. Okay, so that is nothing but a default constructor. That is nothing but a default or non-parameterized. And parameterized constructors, that means we are passing values. For example, test something number. Okay, this is parameter. We are passing values to the constructor, so that means parameterized constructor. Then copy constructor, we are not passing values, we are copying, passing the object. We are passing the object. For test t, for example, we are passing the t1 object, we are passing t1 is also a object. We are not passing the values. Instead of passing values, we are sending object. That is nothing but copy constructor. Okay, so how many types of constructors C++ supports? Three types of constructors. What are those three? Default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. If we are not passing any values, then it is a default constructor. If you are passing any values, then that is a parameterized constructor. If you are passing object, then it is a copy constructor. Then it is a copy constructor. If we are writing all these three in a single class, that is nothing but a constructor overloading. constructor overloading. We already seen function overloading, because what is that? All the functions are same name, but the parameters are different, return type of are different, or number of arguments may be different. Okay, that is nothing but a function overloading. But here we are writing different types of constructor in a same class. That is nothing but constructor overloading. That is nothing but constructor overloading. Okay, let's see the examples.